guys, come here. Come here. So हांव कितें करता चोय हें कितें तें पळय. चोयल्यार तुमकां दिसतलें. So I'm trying a new recipe. Yeah, this is something new. Oh my God, compro. Okay. हांव कितें करपाक वता? Trying to make sannas, not the traditional way, because the traditional way are a lot of rice, they घालून करताय. This is something different that I'm thought of. This is an experiment. So what I always say to you, I'm पयली video कोत्ताय, पळयताय, केसात पळयतो, and मागीर if it's good enough, if it's to the mark, then we make a video of it and then we display. चोयता, आज केस सादारी करपाक केला हें फर्मेंटेशनान कोण घायलोलें. आतां हांव घालतलो कोंपऱ्याक, चोयता जाता जाल्यार जायन जाल्यार फ्लॉप जालो खबर ना. पण देर इज अ स्मॉल थॉट प्रोसेस बिहायंड इट टू डू इट. आतां कोत्ता आनी आतां करपाक लागता. आनी जो तो जाली म्हणटकीर दाखयता, बरी जाल्यार दाखयता, बरी जावना जाल्यार दाखयता तुमकां हांव. आनी मागीर जो तो बरी जाली सान्नां अशें लागताय. तुमकां सांगलां ट्रेडिशनल न्ही ती, पूण सान्नां मातशें टेस्ट येता. रेसिपी कोत्ता मागीर तेगेली इजी आहा, सारको इजी. तेका लागून करपाक गेलो ते मुगे मातशें कितें फॉर्मुला जालो सायंटिस्टा भशेन. सो या मागीर तूं म्हणटालो हो कोंपरो खुंयचो हाडलो काय म्हणून हिंग मेळटा. आय हॅड सीन दीस इन हॉन्सलो. आय थिंक इन हॉन्सलो दॅट इज हॉन्सलो वेस्ट. दॅट इज वन प्लेस. पूण हो हांवें गोंयचो हाडलो. कितको हाडलो? सुटकेसींगान हाडलो. आनी हे सगळे एशकोन बी हाडले. आनी बाय द वे गायज, Sanna's recipe, like, you know, any people who are in UK, US, Canada, people watch from there as well. If you all are watching, if you all want to make sannas, I have a recipe of sannas on my channel on K2N Family. If you just type in K2N Family sanna recipes, म्हणा येतले. Exactly, सारखी sanna सा traditional way इसको लागता है पळय ते बस सूज ना, पण सूज नासताना पासून ते सेम टेस्ट हाडलो हा. आणि ही आता मुगेली easiest way करपाक वता हांव. Maybe let's see केस जाती. But anyways, I'll put that in the description. So guys, if you all really want to see that recipe for yourself, it will you can go to the description link and then you can find that recipe for yourself. Nallane type kela pro YouTube ache tole. So guys, now I'm going to check if it's been done. It's been like 25 minutes. I was cooking this gas locally and soyata to me it's sarki, so no hidden things behind. Sopa this time was alle aise mote so raw so bon kariya ar mas niyon diti ingit kelpe hai niyopa lawan dololi completely थोंड जालें. एक काडला हें चोयलां. सारकी सान्नां मातशी चोय. एक्झॅक्टली सायंटिस्ट पास जालो. So now let's break and see. The smell is exactly like a sanna. Guys, see this. Now I'll give it to Nadia. I'll feed her with my hand. So take it, Santo. So guys, very happy, you know. I'm really happy because the result, wow, it has come. Yeah. Mak to mule like muge ready and mak the pass kelo. Then I'm fine enough. So go ahead, say.
Nice.
Nice. Biste nice मना का इधर like sanna ऐसे लगता है कि ते हाँ इसको उड़े हाँ सुबह सा कि ते.
तो क्या मच मीट पड़ो डालो ले.
और मीट उड़ी खाई ले.
He tried, but
मी सॉल्ट उड़ी खाई ले. पण स्मेल आणि तू सांग ही सान्ना करपाक इतली इजी, सो इजी. बट मागीर हांव एसको गोवन सान्ना काय म्हणपाक शकना हेका कित्याक मागीर तेसको गायला लोक म्हणटा ट्रेडिशनल न्ही तूं कितें करता तूं हें अन्नाडी तें आनी आय डोंट वांट दॅट थिंग.
गोवन सान्ना
ती दोस आर ट्रेडिशनली सूर घेवन कोताय ते भशेन तांदूळ घेवन फुगोवन घालून कोताय ते भशेन. पण
सारके सान्ना भाशेनूच हांव म्हणना सान्ना.
गायज,
व्हेरी नायस.
आय ब्रिंग दिस रेसिपी अप. ट्राय कोराय. तुमगे खंयचेय फंक्शन आसता न्ही तुम्ही ही कोत्तोली आहा तुमकां बरोवन दिता तुका. जर तर तुमकां ते भाशेन जायना न्हू अनसबस्क्रायब केल्यार जाता म्हाका. सो आय एम दॅट कॉन्फिडन्स विथ दिस.
लेट्स एन्जॉय द सन्नास.
बेस्ट लागता काय खरें बोला काय. लुक एट दिस गर्ल. This is nautical. What you do? किती करतो ते? हाँ हे किती? हे किती? हे किती? हे किती? पेन घेऊन किती केलं तुझे? हाँ? सोय. पेन हो? ते जिंग बरोबाचे? हाँ?
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Hallelujah.
hallelujah.
Okay, bye-bye. Kisha. God is so good. Kor.
God is so good. God is so good. He's so good.
हा?
He's so good. God is so good. God is so good.
किती?
God is so good. He's so good. Good.
मजा किती जाते रे तुका?
Lally, lally.
ट्विंकल करायचा. ट्विंकल ट्विंकल स्टार करू. हाँ चो वाच वाच 1 2 3 करू. मेजर 1 बाबा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Well done. Hey, well done. यहाँ पे चॉकलेट पे क्लियर हेलीकॉप्टर है. ईशा what बाबा? हाँ स्टडी करता. गुड गर्ल. किती स्टडी करतो? हाँ. Hey friends, hello friends, and here we are. Me and Angel, we have come to Range to buy something. We already bought it, and now we are going home. I will show you all what it is. Very nice, and Angel also is very happy about it. Guys, in Range has very pretty much Christmas decorations already come. So many, it was very nice. But I still zopa. And Halloween stuffs are there, no, Angel?
Yeah, but we don't celebrate
We don't
Halloween.
celebrate Halloween.
It's not our celebration
It's not, isn't it?
Yep.
Why we don't celebrate Halloween?
because it's an evil celebration.
Yes, we don't do that, isn't it?
And there's some creepy stuff there, like you might get scared of something.
Yeah. Do you really want to see any in real life? Imagine if those
Imagine if
creepy...
you see it in real life, you might freak out.
Yes, you might just really freak out, and we don't want to. So if you don't want to see in a real life, why do we want to see in a fake life? Isn't it? The fake things we don't want to. That's not right. But we do celebrate Christmas, isn't it?
Yes,
It's
because
Jesus.
it's like a Jesus celebration.
Yeah.
And that's when it's Jesus' birthday
Yes.
in December.
So now we are going home, and then we are going to unbox that thing, and we're going to show you what we bought. And it is pretty very nice, good price.
I'll show you at home.
Big brands really charge a good lot of money for that. This is not a big brand, normal, but has a 1-year warranty for me. Guys, I'll show you in a minute. So friends, this is what is the surprise that we bought for us. Party box. Just costed me 59 pounds. Usually in this SLA आता है भाई, JBL अभी आता है. They cost about like 200 pounds and more. I saw this on one of my neighbor's house. He was playing other day. He showed me it was really nice. Open ko dakhwaita. Really nice. I got it from Range. I think got thode. Maybe rokade offer chalto munaha astale. Then it will get finished very soon. 1-year warranty also. What a nice price. Chargeable and can be take. You can carry this anywhere. He got a mic also with that. दोघांय पे बॉक्सा कितको हेड पे बॉक्सा घालून
Sit down before.
1 minute.
तो किसमें है टाइम
And कैसा oh.
कितनी को दे दी
Choo choo. You're ready for the choo choo train?
ये तो मैं
Okay, choo.
what
Come on.
सांग किस जाय तुका क्रीम
Clean.
हुई क्रीम जाय क्रीम हुई जाय दाखय तू किती भूक करता ओके कोता ओके आयज आमी कोंकणी उलया कोंकणी कितें गो कोंकणी उलयता मरे वय वय
Roy.
वय ओके आता तू कसो हा कर
Tasha.
हेंच्यात तू सांग वॉट इज तू कसो हा म्हणून
तू कसा हा
तू कसो हा ओके आणि
Tasha.
बरें करून कर okay you tell her one in Konkani to say something you were saying yesterday
and you mean French.
not French
Oh, yeah, I got one.
which one
Kisha, say day. She's gonna say the word day, but this give. Say day.
Dev
No, I mean Dave, but this give. I don't know that word. Kisha, say Dave, Bodo, this, you.
Dio
Dude, I mean, say dude. They borrowed this. They borrowed this.
you have to say Dev but this Dio
They borrowed this dude.
okay touch you कर बाबा touch you कर touch you इधर जरा touch you कर touch you बड़ा किधर touch you is something like okay when they watch retreat and all and then that they have like touch you they do know यहाँ पर को touch you
Like Disha sing twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Above the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Say twinkle, 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 little star. How I wonder what you are. Kisha, do that?
okay ते दोल मजा बाय कर बाबा
Damajabai, Nilajabai, Pipiya Jalabai.
so दोल मजा बाय अरे आज वीडियो वाटते मग
Sit down.
Natu dance yes Natu okay just open a pant and see don't take smell she made cacao see have a look no Isha kaka what so guys we had gone to Primark today wanted to buy some few pants for Kisha for some little bit of clothes for her to wear in the house so to ilo gela nela and the best mistake that we found when we were paying we were at the counter there was one this I would say girl only because she says she's a mother but she doesn't look like a mother she's a girl and her name is Alicia she said like hi K2 family now I follow you all I watch your YouTube channel and all and she's got a son I guess so and he also watches and that was very nice like when we were on the counter to pay and the next she was there and she said it. Very nice. Alicia, if you're watching this, thank you so much. And I appreciate, like, at least you helloed and made us feel really very, what do you say that? Very pleased, very happy within us ourselves only. And it's very nice to get connected to our YouTube family. And now that we know anyway, I've got my cousin, her name also is Alicia. So definitely anytime I see you, I will remember your name, Alicia. And Ache, to ro paldo pa ata prima kasano. Ekishage, so kidu kotta. She gets very excited with everything. And the Milky Bar, this button chocolate she likes very much. So she gets 2 or 3 in a day. Take collect chocolate over the bag collect. So see what she's going to do now. So yeah.
You want to give Nana?
Nana.
Yeah, one more. One. Give Nana. Go.
Nana. 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 Nana.
Thank you.
You.
Isha, take this. ये थोड़ा expression कर रही है.
Kisha, boy, boy. Wow. Wow.
Mama.
Mama, kidil duga?
Dada.
Kidde?
Dada.
And take this is for Angel I bought for my work.
Thank you. Baba.
Ah, who is?
Finish, Baba. Give this Nana. Go.
देखा रो पाल्टा दाखव का देखा क्या रो पाल्ट भैया she Kisha got close ah turns
No more pants for you. Wow.
nice
So cute.
Thank you.
thank you कौन
Thank you.
thank you what thank you mama कौन
Mama.
Huggy.
Oh.
Malago te mo baba super.
Oh, necklace.
Love you.
Hello friends and welcome back again. Here we are at the end of the session of this vlog. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this naughtiness of Kisha and Angel.
Yeah.
Lot of yeah, when Nadia was at work and ती घरा आहे त्यांना नाव घरा असताना मग एफसी को स्वतः ते anything ते can she praised the किती hallelujah करायची तापवतं म्हणून किती so very funny but very nice cuteness सारखे overloaded and Angel and Kisha when they are together they don't need anyone else. They're good within themselves only. I feel very proud and feel very blessed to see their bonding as sisters because Angel is very good. Like, she takes very good care of Kisha. And Kisha, आम जो तो Kisha था पहिले त्याकडे Angelला फड्या होता.
Even religiously they are very good.
Yeah.
Like mama lagon ती जायती prayersaची जाणाय like a lot of things like की त्या every child has to know their religion, their little devotion to God. So
Yeah, this is like in today's in this internet world, like the more how kids are very close to this and all. Even it's not that my child are not like watching on tab or not TV. They are also on that. It's just because mama is at home and because the mutani gara kodi rahle ki te changes asta hai munna. So this is one of those things experience that we are having in our family. Like mama is there, she has those prayers and my kids they are watching and they are also following it. Maybe it will be different. But yes, the secondly किती काय म्हणा एक तुम्ही सांगा तुम्ही व्हिडिओ चोयला असता स्टार्टिंग को आणि ती सांगना आहे शिकली एक रेसिपी केली ट्रस्ट मी गाईस ती इतली बेस्ट जाले त्याची रेसिपी हाडटलो पतकू एक ट्राय करपाक गेलो एक मोठी एक मातशी फॉर्म्युला जालो गेलो तो फॉर्म्युला सक्सेसफुल सान्ना म्हणपा ना ताका हांव कित्याक सान्ना म्हण नांव दिवपा पडटलें पण हांव प्लीज सांगता ताका म्हणनाका ती सान्ना न्ही रे बाबा म्हणून टेस्ट जाल्लो येता सांगपाक गेल्यार टेस्ट जाल्लो येता बट इट इज नॉट अ ट्रेडिशनल वे
kind of sannas. They are not sannas. Yeah.
and why I came with that recipe why I thought of it because it's very 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 easy सारखे सिंपल त्यान सोदपा हिंगा थिंगा धांवपा हें तकली मारपा गरज ना very instantly कोणी करतलो so I will come with that recipe secondly तें एक म्हणटा बरें हा आनी yeah first आमकां त्या दिसा when we had I'm पयली होतो व्हिडिओ नी सांगलो when we had been for Primark ते Kisha and Angela लागून कितें रोप घेवपाक we met Alicia and she helloed us saying like K2N family Alicia thank you once again horror job bodies like you helloed us And I mean, it's just a beginning, isn't it? Like, they can't bother this now. Direct on camera got my subscriber mein mun pala. But anyway, but it is very nice.
Yeah.
We feel very good.
Even at
very,
my workplace, I'll tell you, I have so many of my subscribers. So nice, so nice. Like when I went only, like they were like, they gave me a nice welcome. Like, never made me feel a little low or like, I'm tekita zap kurpache or something. I'll tell you, they're amazing, amazing people. And I love you.
आणि त्याच्या वडील माहिती झालंय द व्हेरी सेम डे आय वेंट आउट टू गेट समथिंग एल्स
Yeah.
किती बारीकशे किती इसवल्ली आणि ते बारीक हाडपाक परत असो पण म्हाका आनी वी वेंट डिफरंट लोकेशन खंय गेलो काय आमी? हितून न्हू होम बार्गेन
Yeah,
हल्दी
home bargain.
होम बार्गेना अँड when we went to home bargain, I think and me and Nadia was talking. So there was one gentleman who was standing over there, and he said, आवाज ओळखीचा दिसता म्हणपाला आपणा फ्रेंडाचाच कितें हांवें म्हणलें ना ओळखीचाच दिसता म्हणपाला आवाज आनी हांवें म्हणलें कोण तुगे फ्रेंड बी कोण हांगा ना युट्यूबार एकलो आहा म्हणपालो सो हांवें कळ्ळें म्हाका मातशें तें अशें करून बरें दिसलें हांवें म्हणलें हांव कोता केट्यून चोयलोलें मातशें दिसता म्हणपा तेगे नांव लॉरेन्स या आय सॉ हीज फॅमिली आय थिंक सो लॉरेन्स ही वॉज विथ हीज फॅमिली हीज गॉट वायफ एंड सन एंड अ डॉटर दे ऑल्सो वर डुईंग शॉपिंग एट द सेम टायम बट Lawrence, thank you so much. Yeah. खरें म्हाकाय त्या वक्तार कळना कितें म्हणपा नाल्यार I wanted to come and greet you all more and
You were in
introduce
bit
like
hurry,
आनी तेन्ना कितें बाई घरा कोला ते मातशें चकचक करून वचपाकूय जाय घरा कडेन बट केन्नाय परत मेळटो जाल्यार डेफिनेटली आय विल टेक टायम टू स्टँड एंड इंट्रोड्यूस एवरीवन लायक एवरीवन तेच हांव नादी आसलोली पण इफ आय दे टू एंड टू गेट टू नो युअर फॅमिली एज वेल बट थँक यू फॉर एक्नॉलेजिंग अस बरें दिसता खरें कितें आहल्या So guys, one more final thing that I want to tell you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. कित्याक काय म्हणटली? Because for being with us.
Yes.
Why? It is so much thank yous and I've always been thank you. But the reason for this special thank you for you is because we achieved another milestone at this stage. 20 alole, 21 zale. So we are on 21K now, 1,000 subscribers added to us. So I said every 1,000 that goes up, I will let you all guys know about it. So this is all because of your guys' love.
Yes.
Yeah, because you guys love us. Because
We
you
get
guys support us.
motivated because of you all.
Honestly, many times do people say, Baba, tum Sadang ale, come every day. Honestly, we would love to come every day. But as a family, as a couple, as a parent, we know how busy we are
Yes.
and how much busy will the person also be who is watching us. You really don't want to know every day what I'm cooking, what I'm going everyday shopping. That is not really important. You will want to know. You will want to know really something that I can bring up to a benchmark where people can understand and see okay how things can be and what it is.
In
to
this
get
video
connected.
also, it's not like everything was in one day. Like
Yeah, it is like we did not shoot everything in one day, guys. We don't shoot in everything, and let's be honest, I don't shoot everything in one day. We try to create moments. We don't get any script or anything. Baby, esco video na. We don't do that's nakamaka. I don't want to. Something what organic comes, something that natural that happens because we see something like Kisha's reaction. Rob Gail mud kitko happy dalle. We know that reaction of Kisha even before. So we just felt like okay, this we should share with you guys. Let us show like okay what Kisha like it was same with Angel. Angel also like how she teaches her Konkani Olopa. Angela ko kokode koyada. That actually
any video, special video you want to do, like you all want us to do like any challenge or any, you all let us know.
Yeah,
Like
this
try
guys
to
should
do
tell
these
us.
things.
Yeah, you guys can ask us. Okay, guys, y'all give us some idea.
Ideas,
Okay.
yeah.
Guys, you can do like this. This is something nice you can do, and definitely we'll try to make it on that way. We will be coming, like as I said, like we will be coming a lot of this vlogs on and on, and we will be making more random vlogs, lot of things. But as I said, like sorry guys, if we are not uploading every single day, it's just because time मेळना खरें तितलो टाइम मेळना बट वी ट्राय आवर बेस्ट एक बेस्ट रेसिपी हाडपा दो बघा आय ट्राय आवर बेस्ट टू गेट एटलीस्ट 2 व्लॉग्स इन अ वीक फॉर यू So this is what we look forward because, and that is what us keep us connected to us. And this is where you all have made us go to this 1 mile ahead now.
Yes.
So we're 21K. Thank you so much. God bless for everyone who have been following us, watching us, and subscribed us to this channel. And always been a part of this K2N family. You have always appreciated for the recipes that we bring. You have always appreciated for the vlogs that we do. You all have always given the love for my family, my kids. Thank you so much for that. So, guys, with this, we end up this vlog. Yeah. I will all say that take care, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.